So just to come back to everything, in the previous videos you learned how to log in and get a feel of the dashboard. Then we've learned how to add an item in your add an item and add an order, and you now know how to add users view users and add a user and the user on the front end where they would upload their own information. In this video I'm going to show you the registration forms. So what you're going to do is on the registration forms you're going to go add fields. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the current forms that you've got, just like this. So everything is 0, that will go at the top, okay, as you order it. So if we're to add a new one here and we set the setting order 0, it will show at the top in the back end here, but on the front end it will show underneath upload your drivers. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's edit it. So let's just edit this upload here, upload your ID. Now this is what shows on the user side when they sign up. This is the maximum file size that they're allowed to upload, and these are the file types that they're allowed to upload. I've allowed certain amounts because certain extensions, because some people they like to upload their logo in a Word document. It sounds silly, but that's what some clients do, unfortunately. I haven't made it a required information, because sometimes what happens is, and we've had it, is that they upload a file type that isn't allowed. Then when the system says it doesn't accept that, they have to fill out all that information again. So the system will allow them to register. If the file wasn't accepted, it will still allow the process to go in. Then you would have to say, sorry, there was an issue with the upload of your ID, please resend it. And then they can resend it, or you can tell them, please go and upload it again to your into your account area. Okay, so if we go file type, these are the types we're allowed. So we've got this one set as file uploaded. Okay, we can go color picker, date picker, time picker. So for example, if you wanted, you can say when's the time you want to collect it, or when's the time you want to for us to drop it off. Radio button, multi-checked, you know those check buttons, multi-select, select box, email, text area. Text area is like a contact form. Text is like an item like this. It's just a bar like this. Okay, so those are the different file. Now if I had to click on here, it will change this section down the bottom here. Place field holder, that is what shows within that field. So let's actually go and have a look. So what we'll do is we'll open it up in another browser. Again, my internet is very slow today. Apologies for the delay. Okay, so if we go to apply, so the placeholder is this here. Okay, so if we're to go upload your image here, that's where it is. Okay, sorry, your ID there. Okay, and as you can see, we can just upload a video or an image. Let's just upload that one there, and then there it is there. And then when we register, if the file type's allowed, it will allow them to register. If it doesn't, it just won't upload it for them. All right, so let's just come back here. So now let's go to another field, and we'll just choose let's choose a text. What is the purpose of the car? And there you go. There it is there. Text field, text. Add answer here. That's all you have to do. This is a required field. That's it. If you want them to, for example, let's say, what is a car for? And they say to go drag racing as a joke. We can tick this item and it won't allow them to update it in their count area. You can update it, but they can't. Okay, so if you want that to happen, I haven't set anything like that, but if you're wanting it to be like that, so it's very serious, then just tick that and then click update here. All right, but I have allowed it that the clients can change any information. All right, let's add a new field. So we're just going to say this is a test, and we'll make it a text area. Okay, we're not really worried about this showing admin. This must be done, otherwise it's not going to show in the admin order. And we're going to say this is for the video, and we're going to hit publish. Once the page reloads, we're going to come back to this one and we're going to go Command R because I'm using Apple Mac. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go Control R again. Command R. And let's have a look. Let's just clear the cache on this side. Clear cache. And we'll just copy this and we'll search for it. Now we'll reload it. And there it is at the bottom here. So that's how you'd, if you wanted it to go, let's come and make it half width. We'll update. So once it updates, we'll just clear the cache here. Clearing the cache basically tells any browser that they need to pull the new information. If you don't clear the cache, then it will just actually reload the form like we saw the first time. So as you see, it takes a little bit longer to load now because it's pulling. We go down to apply, and now there you go. You see it's half width. All right. So that is how. Now let's just go back here. We'll go to all fields, and we'll delete this one. See there, this is a test. We can go trash, or we can go move to trash. Select it and go apply. And that is how you'd add a field to your registration or edit a field. Okay.